Hello guys and welcome. Martinunix here, and today I'm gonna be showing a quick and simple method on how to part your natural hair in preparation for dreadlocks extension. So welcome guys. Today our tutorial will be based on a dummy mannequin with natural hair. So guys, we are going to do locks extension on this mannequin head with natural hair. So to begin with, let's kick off by parting the hair and sectioning accordingly. So stay locked and consider sharing my work. So let's identify the center. Now this is the center. So our part will kick off from this point. On that point. So this will be our center part. Let's part all the way to the back. Now we are done with the center part. Have a look. That's our center parting. Don't expect it guys to be so much neat like on the case of when you're dealing with a client directly on that 100% human hair. This is not 100%. So let's do the rest of the parting. As you can see, I've already done like 3/4 of the whole portion, and I was just trying to give some clean parting that can be adopted. I was considerate on the lining, lining being a factor that determines the elements of hair design as well as the space and form. So form being the volume. You might need to do a mannequin just for the sake of facilitating your classes or else improving your skills, and I saw it crucial to bring to your attention the best ways on how you can create some lock strands on a mannequin that can help you advance your skills. So guys, by doing so, we have just parted the mannequin into 2 portions. You see, we started off by parting the hair portion into 2. So after that, I started off with the nape area where I did 4 sections. You see, after parting the nape area, I did 4 sections, and thereafter followed by other 4 sections. Then I advanced to 3 sections onwards as the volume of the hair increased. I will go ahead and subdivide this portion. So let's quickly do a parting at this point. So let's do the parting. So guys, if you want to join my virtual classes, kindly consider sending an email to martinunixsalon@gmail.com. All right, now this one being a mannequin, you need also to understand and be aware of most of the challenges that you might face whenever you want to do this portion. So let's quickly subdivide our portion into a smaller portion. So I'm gonna pick a smaller portion. Now after sectioning your portion, my portion, I'll just go ahead and pick my crochet tool. So have been doing an instant crochet method just to keep the sections in place, awaiting the second part, of which the second part, guys, is gonna be the grafting part, whereby now we will go ahead and attach some lock stones on the mannequin. So I understand that you know how to go about instant crochet, and if you don't know, guys, I've given many tutorials. So this is instant crochet, and I'm using a double hooked crochet tool. So just try as much as possible and keep the portion separately from the rest of the portions. Now go ahead and pick another portion. Remember, guys, you might face lots of challenges considering that this is not natural hair. It's not real natural hair. So whenever you find any resistance, try as much as possible and accommodate such challenges and find ways on how to solve them out. Now this is quite tedious process, but why am I kicking off by parting the whole hair and not going ahead and grafting the locks? This is to give us a clean view of what we expect at the end in terms of the number of lock strands, the density proportion, and volume of the lock strands. So those are the determining factors that we want to adhere to. So guys, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Like my work, comment, share to your friends, and consider revisiting the channel to have a look on more tutorials that are on the channel. So size your sections into your desired portions that can well suit the size of the locks that you wanna attach on the mannequin. So guys, like more, comment, share to your friends. Can as well, guys, join the channel, join membership on the channel as a way of supporting the channel. And I will be bringing many exclusive packs to my members as time goes by. And that's the way to go, guys. So I'm gonna do the rest of the hair portion same way we have just done this section here. We are done, and just to give a quick recap of what I was aspiring to attain is that I needed to create lines in order to adhere to the elements as well as adhering to the principles that govern hairstyling. So in the future, since we are going to install some locks on this particular mannequin, we want also to be coming up with styles which are proportional and styles which can, chip in certain aspects such as rhythm, in our styling, so as to give more touch on whatever styles we shall be doing in the future. Thank you guys, and see you soon.